Hey guys, want to learn how to make a passive income with Builderall? If so, watch this. Alright guys, it's your man Earl Batman Stringer of RealInternetCash.info and thepassiveincomeway.com. Alright guys, in this video I want to talk about how you can make passive recurring income with a platform called Builderall. Alright, I heard about Builderall a couple months ago, actually, just kind of passingly, but a couple weeks ago I really took a look into it and I was blown away. I'm like, I got to get on this. I got to. I just got to, right? If you haven't heard of Builderall, basically it is a all-in-one platform for marketers of all kinds. It doesn't matter if you're doing the whole internet marketing thing. It doesn't matter if you got an offline business. It doesn't matter if you're an affiliate marketer, a network marketer. It doesn't really matter if you're into marketing online. This is a platform that basically allows you to do everything you need to market. Everything from creating websites, creating squeeze pages. You can do. You have access to Facebook bots. If you don't know what that is, that's basically when you're marketing on Facebook and someone comments on a post and you have automatic messages that go out, which that in itself is just cool as hell. But you got autoresponders built in, webinar capability, video page, you name it, right? It's like just the all-in-one platform. Okay, that's Builderall. So how to make passive income from Builderall. Actually, there's a couple ways you can do it, but in this video I want to talk about one really cool way that you can do it is by becoming an actual Builderall affiliate. Okay, when you become a Builderall affiliate, you got a great product to promote, right? B, you can actually use the product to you know, for your own projects and clients if you're into that. And C, it's recurring income, which means you get paid month after month after month after month, right? And the cool thing, guys, is one of them products that usually when people get it, they're gonna keep it, just like a domain name, right? If you're an affiliate for a hosting company or domain names, usually people are going to stick with that unless they just completely just give up on their business, right? So like the Builderall affiliate program is super cool, and all you need to do to become an affiliate is just go over, I'll put a link in it, and you want to just join Builderall. All right, but here's the cool part. When I decided to join, I got hooked up with a team. Why did I get hooked up with a team? Because Builderall has a 2-tier affiliate program, which means anybody that you bring in, all right, you get money from their work, their commission. That's not MLM or nothing like that. It's just 2-tier, right? So when you sign up, great, you know, you have the ability to make, you know, recurring income, blah, blah, blah. But yes, Builderall does give you some training if you're an affiliate, but if you're with, I'm personally hooked up with a team that created its own custom training just for Builderall, just for showing people how to make recurring income as a Builderall affiliate. And the guy and the team that I'm on, actually, Chad Bartlett and Marissa Romero, these guys are the big dogs in it. So I jumped in. I'm on their team, right? And I have access to incredible training, guys. This training is like, by itself, it's just worth, you know, jumping on the team, right? You'll see exactly what I'm talking about when you check out the page. But when you become an actual Builderall affiliate, all you need to do is upgrade to the business plan, which is only $49 a month. And guys, think about this for a second. $49 a month. You can literally sit there and say, well, I just want to have my own Builderall business and just, build up my affiliate commissions just as Builderall. But don't forget that $49 a month will actually allow you to have all the access to the tools that if you're in other niches, if you want to get offline clients, you can literally run a full-blown online operation with Builderall, the business package, right? So, guys, all you need to do, go to the link in the description, right? It says join my Builderall team. Click on that and you'll see all the details. Now, the people in the training that you seeing, I'm on their team and they're big dogs, right? So the training that you're about to see, I got it. As soon as you upgrade, I'm going to give it to you. I'm going to give you access to training created just for making money with Builderall. And there's some bonuses in there as well to get you started with other ways to make money with Builderall. But it's all about, building a full-time income with Builderall. And not only full-time income, but full-time passive income. I'm excited as hell about it. Just been doing it for a few weeks and getting crazy leads. And the potential is crazy. All right. So, guys, you want to learn how to make passive income with Builderall. This is one of those that you see in a lot of sales letters. You always see the term, this is a no-brainer, opportunity, blah, blah, blah. It truly is. Check it out. And when you become an affiliate and you upgrade to the business plan, I'll see it. And then we'll be working with each other. There's Facebook groups you'll see me in. You'll have access to me one-on-one. Literally, you have my phone number, my email, my Skype. Because once again, when you join the team, when you earn, I earn. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to do all I can to help you out and make as much money as possible. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, guys, so I've been rambling. Go to the link in the description and I will see you when you upgrade and we're going to make some money. If you haven't done it yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm always delivering some content and I will see you in the next video. Peace.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.